The Teachers Training College's sports entered the second day Wednesday, with Doreen Ngugi from Meru TTC, Eastern Region, bagging the 10,000 meters, while Lona Kemboi of Tambach TTC was second. Here are sentiments from some of the participants and organizers.
The race has been okay, it's fine. The track was quite well compared to other years. I've been fighting this opportunity.
Singechoka kama ningaifika hapa tu. Nilikuwa nasikianga tu stadium but mimi sijaiona. Mimi naonanga tu kwa TV wapi, but for now nimeona face to face. I'm happy. Na nitaendelea kuwashukuru walimu wangu kwa sababu ndio to practice hata. Since hata sikuwa nafanyanga practice, but I managed to be here.
Kenya Teachers Colleges Sports Association have always had competition in two levels. The first level is the regional levels and then the national level. We have always have endeavors to go outside Kenya.
This is an opportunity we have accorded also to Northeastern. For the first time, they are participating as a region, having been carved away from Eastern and Coast region. I want to believe that we introduced tug of war as part of the association's strategy of unloading new games to expose our teacher trainees to more new games, to engage them and involve them in a number of games.
Now, finally, we cross the borders and a value